Hello, I'm back. So let's keep working. So number 6, find the 10th term of the geometric sequence whose common ratio is 1/3 and whose first term is 5. So they gave you the information. So they want to find A10, right? They want to find A10. They want to find A10 and the given information is common ratio, right? So I want to know this, and my R's 1/3 and my first, that is 5, right? And to do this one, guys, we need to write explicit form. They didn't ask, but when you write explicit form, then that's much easier. So I'm gonna write the explicit form. So A-N equals my first R to the n-1 power, right? So this is my explicit form, and I want to get A10, right? So you do 5 1/3 10-1 9th power. Okay, and you can use a calculator for this. So for that one, you can use a calculator and you can type the answers over here. Okay, let me see. Let me try. Where's the calculator? Oh man. Give me 1 second, guys. So guys, this website is so useful, right? So please use it. It's free TI-84. So I just want to calculate this number. 5 times 1/3. So I'm gonna put the fraction 1/3 close to the 9th power, like that. Whoa, numbers are so big, right? So I want to write it as a fraction form. Then guys, you can do this. Go to math, enter. Are you sure? Then you know what? I think you can just keep this form. Okay? So that one, just type this exactly same way. Okay, just type that one. I think that will work. And number 7, this is important. Number 7, because guys, look, it looks very complicated. We never learned this one, right? You will have it, but don't do it. I'm not grading this one. All right, so when you finish the test, because you didn't do this question, so the test will say like not 100, even you get 100%, right? But I'm not gonna count this, so don't worry about it. We're not doing this. Okay, the last problem, we're not doing this one. Okay, and look, compute each sum below, right? But we are just doing only one, this one only. We are doing only this. All right, so look guys, you want to add up to this, right? And look how many terms you have. 1 2 3 4 5 terms, right? You will do up to here 4, but think about it guys. Let's do this. So just look at the final term, the last one. So I'm gonna bring it here to the 4 power, right? Then think about your explicit form. Is that a what? A n equals like that. then you know an looks like a1 r to the n minus 1, right? So n minus 1, then you get 4, right? N minus 1, then you get 4. So that means I can just rewrite it 5 minus 1, right? Just like this format. Then I will see, oh, that's a fifth term, right? So we are getting what? Sum up to 5. So you can get your n from your last term. Alright, guys? And don't get confused with the power. That is what? That's already n minus 1 because that's your term, right? So you need to add 1 to that one. If that is 4, then your term number will be 5. Okay, so I want to know S5, and let's think about the formula. Our formula was A1 parentheses 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. That was the formula, right? So I will do, because my A1 is 5 times my r is negative half, right? So 1 minus negative half to the fifth 1 minus negative half, like this, right? So we will calculate this number. So oh no, come on, no, hold on guys. Okay, so we want to calculate this, so I will put that numbers into my calculator. So 5 parentheses fraction, and on the top 1 minus parentheses negative half. You're typing exactly same way, and power of 5 and 1 minus negative half, like that, right? Exactly same way. I don't know, I could enlarge this or not. I can't. Oh yeah, where did it go? Calculator. Oh man, it disappeared. Okay, so like this, and then I'm gonna press enter. Oops, I think that deleted. I'm gonna do it again, guys. Oh my goodness. 5 times parentheses 1 minus negative half to the fifth 1 minus negative half. Okay, 5 over 48. You see it, 5 over 48. So that is your answer. Okay, so that's it guys. I told you we're not doing this. You will see this on your test, but there's no way to get rid of this question, so that's why. But I told you we are not doing this symbol, or we are not doing that one. You just look at the first and you're doing this. Okay, and for the last problem, you're looking at the last term. You need to get how many terms in there. Okay, normally, usually, like if that is 4, then you just add 1, so your total number of terms is 5. Okay, so you can use like an. Think about this. That is for n minus 1 is 4, so your n will be 5, and then you use your sum formula, and you use a graphing calculator or whatever calculator to get your answer. Okay, alright guys, so that's it for today. So tomorrow you will take a test on Alex, alright, and please review this and use this material, or like you can turn on the video and take the test. All right, so get like as high as possible, please. And I talk about the lesson quiz at the beginning of the video, right? Something about my workout. So please answer that one correctly. If you don't get the right answer, then I'm not giving you credit for the classwork. All right, so please get the right answer. And you still need to do your do now on the Google Classroom, lesson quiz, and Alex one topic or 20 minutes. All right, okay guys, have a great day. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.